Fix iPhone email issues. Quick solutions. Having trouble with email on your iPhone? Try these simple steps to resolve common issues like email not syncing, freezing, or glitches. 1. Switch your network. Open Control Center. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Switching networks can often resolve the issue. 2. Check email account settings. Open Settings and navigate to Mail, then Accounts. Select your email account and verify server settings. Turn the email option off, then on again. 3. Restart the Mail app swipe up or double-click the Home button on older iPhones to open the app switcher. Close the Mail app. Restart your iPhone and reopen the Mail app. 4. Reinstall the Mail app. Open Settings and find General, then iPhone Storage. Select the Mail app and tap Offload app. Reinstall the app. Enable Background App Refresh Open Settings and go to General, then Background App Refresh. Ensure it is enabled for Wi-Fi and cellular data. 6. Remove and re-add email account Open Settings and go to Mail, then Accounts. Delete the affected account and re-add it. 7. Reset network settings. Open Settings and navigate to General, then Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Following these steps should resolve most email problems. If issues persist, contact Apple support for assistance.